Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet, oh me. Just a touch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna unbox something. This is the Note 10 Plus 5G. This phone came out last month and I haven't seen it yet. I don't know what it looks like. So this one is not really for me. This is for my husband. I asked him can unbox this. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'm also don't know what it looks like because, as I said, I haven't seen this before. I don't know. He's more excited, like, you know, to get this. But me, I was like, okay. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. Okay. There, this is the box. Let's open this. It's so hard to open, man. Okay. This is what it looks like. Wow, it's so like thin. Look. As you can see, guys, the back has kind of like a mirror, so you can use it like a mirror, I guess. See, like I can see myself, like as you can see, also like that. See, this is the back, guys. This is the back of the phone. Wow, this is pretty cool. Let's see what else comes with it. So this over here, we have a charger, headphones. The headphones look like, yeah, there you go. Charger, and yeah, that's it. That's all that comes with it. There's no paper or anything. Okay guys, so it's pretty cool that it comes with a pen. What do you call this? He said S Pen. S Pen. This is called S Pen. So yeah, and we push it and you're gonna take it out. This thing right here. And now it just turned on. It's on now. See. Samsung. Okay, let's set it up so that we can see what it looks like. You know what the screen looks like. Exactly the same size of my palm. Look at that. See? The same. Look. This is the home screen, guys. So, yep. As you can see, this one over here. This is the camera. And this is the back camera over here. Yep, super slim siya. It's pretty cool. See, I will compare it to my phone. I'm gonna show you what it looks like because I have the iPhone XS Max. So this is the iPhone XX Max, and this is the Note 10. Thing right here is taller, but it's slimmer. See, it is slimmer compared to the iPhone. This one here is kind of like heavy, but this one is light, very light, very. Oh my god, I like this one. Let me see the camera. How's the camera on this one? What? I like the photo. It's so nice. It looks more like realistic for me. It's not too like wash out, you know, like some phone, like when you take a picture you feel like it's over filtered, and I don't like that sometimes. And this one is really good because it has like a good contrast. I don't know if it's clear here, but it really is not too wash out. Oh, the camera is nice, guys. Video. Wow, the video looks so sharp. Wow, the video looks so sharp, guys. As in this one is good for makeup tutorial. I really like it. Like my lipstick right now, like here in the camera, I'm using like a Canon camera. My lipstick is kind of like not too clear, but here in the photo or in the video with this phone, it's really like vibrant right now. Pretty impressed of this phone though. It's just for me sometimes like I don't know how to use this. So funny because some people they said like they don't like iPhone because they said it's complicated, but for me it's opposite because I like iPhone because it's not too complicated for me. It's so easy to use than the Android phone. For me there's a lot of things going on, that's why I'm not into it that much. But right now he has the S9 and I like the camera on that one. The Samsung's camera is pretty good though. I like this because it's light and it's slim, you know, but it's just kind of like long for me. If I put it in my pocket, it's gonna be, see, it's gonna be like that, and see, it's too long. It's like a mirror. Now it's dirty. I have a lot of like fingerprints there right now. The front, and that's the camera, and it has like the pen over here that you can just push and you can use it when you go typing. If this one is like maybe shorter, I would probably like want to get like this too, but it's just really light and I like it. As I said, this is not for me, this is for my husband. I just want to unbox this and show it to you guys, share it to you what it looks like, and now you know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.